Sweet potatoes can live indoors, so there is nothing about to have reasons to not get healthy. So you can plant it inside with just water in it and it will live. So we are going to talk about its benefits in our health today. Sweet potatoes, as known as talbos ng kamote in Tagalog, is always grow in vacant lots and on the roadside anywhere we go in the Philippines. But here we are in Israel, so we are going just to put it indoors. So we may have a source of talbos ng kamote in our home. According to the study of the Louisiana State Agricultural Center, sweet potato leaves or talbos ng kamote provided ascorbic acid or vitamin C and vitamin B to the body. But it also offers other vital nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin B-carotene, B6, thiamine, niacin, zinc, riboflavin, iron, folic acid, calcium, and protein. And its health benefits is so much more we have to know because this sweet potato leaves is for anti-diabetes. It has diabetic compounds that lower blood glucose content. It has anti-diabetes properties and for diet therapy. It also helps in heart health. It has lots of vitamin K which helps in decalcifying arteries of hard and harmful plaque deposits. It is also an anti-mutagenic and antioxidant. It is also anticoagulant which is it facilitates the blood clotting abilities of our blood. It also enhances eye health. It is also antibacterial and it helps in bone health because of its lots of vitamin K deposits in it. So let's enjoy eating this with a dried fish, and this is so much tasty and this is so much delicious. Be in good health always.